All right, so for the last virtual manipulative, we get to choose any one of these to kind of discover and go over. So I'm going to use the money pieces, and I'm going to do open web app, and it's going to take me there. And right here you could see that there's a dollar bill, 50 cents, 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and a penny. So I'm just going to open all of them and see. Oh, that's nice. It shows like 5 cents is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. I'm sure it's going to show them for all the rest of the money. All right. And then I'm just going to kind of play around, see question. Let's see, what does this do? I'm not really sure what that one does. Oh no. I don't know how to get rid of this. All right, well, we'll put that off to the side. This, maybe, I don't really know what these little things are for. But I'm sure they're for good use. Pocket. Bank. I don't know. I'm not really 100% sure. But, oh, here. This gives it even a graphic without, like before it said for a nickel and how it equals 5 cents, it had 5 blocks. I kind of like the block version better just because it'll be easier for students to understand like how to make money, like $1, $2. I ask them to show me what 50 cents looks like in quarters. I can ask them to do 2 quarters, or how much does 2 quarters equal, which would be the same as this 50 cents. And if I rotate it, there it shows the exact same prices. So this would be a nice little tool to use when teaching money and the worth of money and how to count it, give change, which is a really nice little app to have.